Hello guys, so this is how to fix YouTube not compatible for your device. So if you are facing this problem, this is how to fix it. First of all, what you have to do is to launch to your menu, then try to search for your settings app. If you find it, then tap on it. After that, you wait. When it opens, what you have to do is to tap on apps and notification. After tapping on it, you have to wait for it to load, and after loading, you're going to see your apps. Then you tap on the see your apps. After that, what you have to do is to wait. It's loading. After loading, search for YouTube. So as you can see, this is YouTube. Then you tap on it. After that, tap on force stop. Then you tap on OK. After that, tap on notifications. Try to make sure every notification is turned on over here. After doing this, what you have to do next is to tap on the permissions. Make sure every permission is allowed. So as you can see, all these permissions are allowed. So after allowing every permission, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Then after that, what you have to do next is to tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction. So after that, you must make sure that the background data is turned on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to restart your device. But before you restart, you have to go to Google Play Store to check for the update. So tap on the Play Store, then search for YouTube. So as you can see, this is YouTube, and as you can see over here, YouTube has to be updated. So you have to update our YouTube app. Let's tap on update. Immediately you tap on update, you're going to see it's pending over here, and we also have pending. So let's wait. So as you can see, it's downloading. So what you have to do next is to restart your device. So you tap on the power button for some while, tap on restart, then you tap on OK. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.